Hi guys, welcome back to Discover Zone. Juniper here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do this fun flashlight book. So this is a super fun craft, so let's get started. The items you'll need are scissors, a pencil, black construction paper, a zip top bag, I'm using a sandwich bag, white cardstock, a black permanent marker, and colored markers or permanent markers. Let's get started. First you'll want to put your black cardstock inside your Ziploc bag. Now you'll want to start drawing. I'm going to do an ocean one like one I saw online. Just start outlining what you want. You could do any picture. You could do one of a mystery room where you have to find the secret key, or you could do one of space. Now you'll want to start coloring in your picture. When you're done coloring, you'll want to start drawing your flashlight on white cardstock. Now choose the color you want your flashlight and start coloring it in. Now cut it out. Now for the piece de resistance, take your flashlight and insert it inside your book. Now you can move it around and see the hidden pictures that you drew. Oh look, there's a hidden treasure chest. It does look better in person and it shows up better than on the camera. So thanks for watching this, guys. Remember to subscribe, like, and share, and follow us on Instagram. Bye, guys!